Elements has many tools for making selections. We'll be using almost all of these throughout the book. The simplest of the selection tools is the Marquee. This has two options, rectangular and elliptical. We'll be looking at both of these here. To select the Marquee tool, we can use its keyboard shortcut of M, or we can go to the Select section of the toolbox and click its icon. We've currently got the rectangular Marquee selected, so we'll make a selection of this rectangular frame. We'll click in the top left-hand corner and drag down to the bottom right, drawing out our marching ants, and there we go. To deselect, we press Command D on the Mac or Control D on the PC, and that removes the selection. Next, we'll select this square frame. Again, we'll position the cursor in the top left corner, but instead of just dragging down, we'll hold down the Shift key, which conforms it to a perfect square, which makes it really easy to select the frame. And there we go. Let's deselect and move on to the clock. We'll select the elliptical Marquee for this. We can do this by pressing the M key again, or by going to the tool options and selecting it from there. Let's close the tool options and start our selection. As we start to drag out, however, we see a problem. The edge is moving away from the edge of the clock, which is no good at all. So let's deselect, and instead we'll start from the centre of the clock using the hands as our guide. As we drag out, if we hold down the Option key on Mac and the Alt key on PC, it will draw out from the centre. At the moment it's a free selection, so we can draw any ellipse we want. If we hold down the Shift key, as we did with the previous selection, it conforms it to a perfect circle, and now we can select the clock with no problem at all. And there we are. That's how to use the Marquee selection tools.